Hey guys, in today's video we will be doing Guess the Player by 3 clues.
Nationality, club, and kid. Let's.
England,
Bayern, and 9.
It's easy. It's
Harry Kane.
Okay. The next hint is Spain, Barca, and number 10. That Lamine Yamal. Yay! The next hint is
Goalie.
The next hint. Turkey, Real Madrid,
and 15.
Arda Güler. Yay! Next one. Portugal,
Sporting and 17.
I think this is Ronaldo.
This is Trincao.
Ronaldo.
Crazy, bro. Okay, Argentina,
Atletico,
Madrid,
and
19.
Alvarez.
Diego Simeone's son, Julian Simeone. Okay, that's
Actually, Alvarez.
okay. Sure.
It's
okay.
literally Alvarez.
It's Giuliano Simeone.
Yes! It's Alvarez!
When does Alvarez wear it? 18 or 19? Arsenal, England, Arsenal, 11.
Bukayo Saka.
Soccer.
Madueke.
Suckers. Yes! 2 in a row!
I had a feeling about that. Guys, because we can't have the same answer.
France.
Real Madrid, Mbappe. No, you can't pick the same answer as me.
Well, it's really Mbappe.
No, you can't pick the same answer.
Next.
France.
Paris, 29. I think you were.
Okay. Okay, guys, he chose Ousmane
I have
Dembele.
a feeling. It's Dembele.
Let's go.
I literally have a feeling it's Dembele.
No!
France, Liverpool, 22. Ibrahim Konate.
Ekitike.
Oh, I think it's Ekitike.
Yes!
Next.
I don't know really about the new signings.
Next. Brazil. Real Madrid 7.
I said Vini.
No,
No, you have to pick something else like Rodrigo or something.
Brazil, Chelsea, number 20. Estival.
This dude, guys, he's copying my answers.
No. I know it.
What? Joe Pedro? Why does Joe Pedro wear 20? He's supposed to wear number. What?
Fine.
Next.
France, City, 10.
I know it, but I'm gonna wait for him.
What is it? Turkey?
Yeah.
It's Turkey.
Ryan Turkey.
Ryan. Yeah.
One. Sorloth.
Next.
David Raya.
David Raya. Yay! Next.
Insane during the Champions League. I couldn't watch it. Sadly,
Next.
but I saw it in YouTube Shorts.
Next.
Crazy goal kicker.
Goretzka. I know Goretzka.
Caro.
Who's Carl?
Who is?
Alexander. He doesn't even have a. Next.
Bellingham. Jude Bellingham.
Begging for him.
Jude Bellingham. Okay, now go to the next.
Kavita
Kvaratskhelia. Yay! Next.
Next.
Pedri.
Ferran Torres.
Pedri.
Ferran Torres.
No.
I knew it because Pedri wears 8.
I think he was 9.
Pedri wears 8.
9. Next.
Jamal Musiala.
Goretzka.
Okay, his is Goretzka. Mine is
Goretzka.
Jamal. Okay.
Yes.
I knew it. Next. Of course,
Next.
the star boy has to wear. Next.
Pedri. I think Pedri. I'm doing Pedri.
Kubarsi.
It's Pedri Gavi. Pedri Gavi.
I know who it is. I want to switch my.
It's Pedri Gavi.
What? Yeah, I packed him in FC Mobile.
Next.
Not the sponsor of this video. I swear to God, I'm not getting sponsored, bro. It's Kamavinga or it's Chouamini.
I think it's Chouamini.
I think it's Kamavinga.
I think it's Chouamini.
Chouamini. Or it could be Ferland Mendy. I think it's
Mendy or Chouamini. Mendy.
I'm picking. I know it's Kamavinga. You pick.
What?
Let's go.
Next. I never knew his name.
It's easy. Luis Diaz.
Luis Diaz. It's obvious.
Bro, like, why are you copying? As soon as I finished Diaz, I knew it. Okay, next, Mom.
Next.
Goretzka. I think it's Goretzka.
Bro, Goretzka's not everywhere. It's Leonard Carl.
Leon Goretzka. I promise you.
Yes! I knew it.
How do you even know him?
I know
Is
him.
he from the first team
Yeah, he's in the first team.
or the bench? Next. Wait, I gotta get one.